Sonny Angel unboxing. I love rainy day series. Oh, so cute. I could only get my hands on 4 of them, but I wanted the whole collection. I want the frog, duck, axolotl, or the secret. I think this one is the hippo because it's the heaviest out of all them. Okay, but they are so cute. I love the raincoat. Please be the axolotl. Oh my god, it is on. I'm so happy. This has to be my favorite out of all of them. Please, just no doubles. It's a ducky so cute. Manifesting the secret. Please be the secret. Oh man, it's the elephant. I'm going to go cry now. Okay, but I really love this series.